Hey, I just wanted to share my experience working with Betty and the company that she works for. I've actually ordered patches from her a few times now, and they've been great. Um, Very fast shipping, which I really appreciate. Betty actually, she always gets back to me really quickly, and she always makes sure that she answers all of my questions. And I actually just ordered these patches. These are a hot cut with an iron on backing, and they're just really great. They're really thin, they're smooth. I actually really like them because they aren't super bulky. I actually use these for, I have a small beach brand, so I actually put these on some hats, and I just use my little iron-on hat press, and they go on really easily, and they're not coming off. So that's something that I really like, and I will definitely be ordering from them again. This is what the patch looks like. Has like a really nice sheen to it, and the iron-on backing. So I highly recommend working with them, and Betty is awesome. So thank you so much, Betty, if you're watching this. Anyways, can't wait to work with you guys again. I really appreciate it. Thank you.